Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Unity Interface Training course. In this lesson, we're going to explore one of the most important parts of Unity, the scene view. The scene view is the place where you visually build your game world. Everything you add to your scene, objects, environments, lights, UI elements, can be moved, rotated, and edited right inside this window. Think of the scene view as your workspace, where you can directly interact with your game objects. When you select an object in either the hierarchy or scene view, you'll see different transform tools appear at the top of the editor. Move tool, W, allows you to move the object. Rotate tool, E, allows you to rotate the object. Scale tool, R, allows you to resize the object. Rect tool, T, mostly used for UI elements. Move, rotate, scale tool, a combined tool for easier editing. You can switch between these tools using the buttons on the toolbar or by using their shortcut keys. You can also navigate inside the scene view using your mouse and keyboard. Right mouse button plus WASD moves the camera like in 3D games. Middle mouse button pans the view. Scroll wheel zooms in and out. Holding Alt plus left mouse button lets you orbit around the selected object. These controls allow you to freely move around and inspect your scene from any angle. At the top right corner of the scene view, you'll find the Scene Gizmo, the small cube showing X, Y, and Z axis. You can click on the faces or arrows of this gizmo to snap the camera to different angles, such as top view, side view, or front view. Unity also provides different shading modes for the scene view. By clicking the shading drop-down, usually labeled shaded, you can switch to wireframe, lighting preview, or other visualization modes to help you work more efficiently. Another important thing is the 2D/3D toggle button at the top. If your game is 2D, clicking this button switches the scene view into a flat 2D editing mode. The scene view doesn't show the final look of your game. Instead, it's the workspace where you build, position, and design everything before it appears in the game view. And that's the scene view. In the next lesson, we'll explore the game view, where you can see your game exactly as the player will experience it.